Hey, what's up dear Rusticians? In this first tutorial about Rust, we are going to see how we can install Rust in the case of Windows. For that, what we have to do is go to this page that will be in the description of the video. And then we have to go to the installation section. Here we can see that two options appear to us. The first is download Rust for 32 bits, and the second is for 64 bits. In my case, I have a bit computer, so I click here. As you can see, it downloads quite quickly. Before continuing, I want to clarify that it is necessary to have a version of Visual Studio 2013 or higher. If you do not have it, on this page here, you can download it. It is Visual Studio 2019. This is a button that says free download. When you click on it, an executable will be downloaded. So, you just have to follow the instructions, which is pretty simple. And with that you can use Rust. Well, now if we open our executable, we click on it. In this case, Visual Studio, I already have it, so I'm not going to show you how to install it, but it's pretty simple. And well, here a console opens when you click on the executable. And as you can see, a series of options appear here. The first thing is that here, we have several options. We have option 1, which is to proceed with the installation by default. That is, Rust is in charge of configuring everything. The second is to customize the installation, which really with the first one is enough. Anyway, if you want to make a more personalized installation, you can choose option 2. And option 3, which is to cancel the installation, in this case, no, so we did option 1. And here we are getting a series of messages that it is downloading all the necessary components. And well, this is going to take a little while. It doesn't take long, but anyway, we'll be right back. Once we finish installing Rust, we get a message like this, where it tells us that Rust has been installed now. And it also tells us that we need to add it to our environment variables. And in fact, here it gives us a way we can do it. So we're going to copy this. And we're going to hit enter. So the executable closed there. We open the console to make sure. And as we can see, it says that it is not recognized as an internal or external command. Despite the fact that we already installed Rust, it is because we need to load the environment variables. So we open the environment variables. Environment variables. And in this part, in my case, in user variables. In the part that says path. Here we go down. And we fit. Well, it wasn't copied, but it was user profile. User profile. Like this. This is diagonal. In fact, it is like this. Point. And we have to copy the bin folder. So once this is done, we hit accept. Here we also hit accept. I accept. We close this console. And well, now we're going to open a new console again. And we write the following command. What's up version? And this should show us a message like the following, where it shows us this format. Here we see the version, which in my case is 1.22.1. If you are watching this video later, it is likely that this number is higher, or even this. And well, we can also write the following command, which is Rust version. And as you can see, it is basically the same format. It just changes the version. With that, we can compile our programs in Rust. We'll see it later. And well, basically, that's all in this first tutorial. We saw how to install Rust in Windows. And well, see you in the next tutorials about Rust.